Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick clipping mask tutorial with some icons for Instagram. We're going to start by turning this image into an object. Click on the Object menu and then select Image Trace, and then Mask and Expand. Double click to enter the group and we can just delete the background. Select the object and right click. You may need to ungroup a number of times like we do here. Drag the image over to where you want it to appear on the object. So right there is good, and now we'll select both the object and the image, and right click, and then hit Make Clipping Mask. And that's it, it's as simple as that. Hope that helped, and if you want to see these icons in action, you can visit my amazing girlfriend's Instagram. See you all in the next tutorial.